Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide, and I'm your Ramesh Kodumuru. In this video, we are going to discuss how to upgrade APM MCP server to a specific version. Which means we are upgrading the server to a specific version, not a latest version. So how to do that one? So we have specific commands to upgrade. Okay, so open the command prompt, click on enter, and we have a command to check the which is the version which have installed. That was the first step we need to do. First, we need to check what is the version we have installed in our system. To check the installed version, we use npm space list space -g space apm mcp. Click on run, enter. So in my system, Appium-MPC at the rate of MCP at the rate of 1.85.0 version is installed in my machine here. Okay, so I want to upgrade a specific version. So first of all, I want to know the list of available MCP servers. So at that time, we can know by the two ways. One by the command. So we have to use this command npm space view space apm mcp space versions. Click on enter. You display all the versions of MCP servers available here. Okay. Now currently I have installed 1.85.0. I want to upgrade a specific version based upon my compatibility. Okay, so if you see here, these are all our versions. Okay, and I want to choose to upgrade to the above 1.85.0 here. So what I will do, the latest is the 1.85.6, but I want upgrade to the 1.85.4. Okay, I want to upgrade to the version. So what command we have to use to upgrade? We have to use npm space. Okay, to upgrade, we have to use npm install space -g space apm mcp at the rate of the version ID is the 1.85.4. Here you have to note it here. To upgrade the Appium-MCP server, we do not have a specific command to upgrade. So we have to install on the existing MCP server. Okay. So when you install it one, it will installed on the top of the older version. So please note that we do not have any specific command to upgrade. So we had to install on the older version here. Okay, here the current is the 1.85.0. Now I am upgrading to the 1.85.4 here. Just click on enter. Just it takes few seconds to upgrade the MCP server. That is the install. This is the same rule applicable to installing the APM server. So same rule we had to use it here also. So we have to install on the top of the older version to upgrade. Once upgrade, we will once again run this command. It is a list command to see the installed version. It should be changed from 1.85.0 to 1.85.4 here. Then our upgrade is successful. It typically takes 60 to 120 seconds. So based on our network speed. You see the status bar here, it's almost complete. Just in final seconds we have. Few more seconds. See, if you see the output here, changed 13, that is 1325 packages in 3 minutes, means it took around more than 120 seconds and between 180 seconds. Okay, based on our network speed. And we have successfully updated our Appium-MCP server to 1.85.4. To confirm that one, I want to run this command, that is a list command, to check the installed version now. Previously it was 1.85.0. We have upgraded to 1.85.4 here. Same way it has come. See, it says now APM-MCP at the rate of 1.85.4, means we are successfully upgraded to the older version, to the specific version, not latest version, it's a specific version. So this is how we can able to upgrade our Appium-MCP server by using the command called npm space install -g appium-mcp at the rate of version here. So here note it here that we do not have upgrade command. We have to reinstall. We have to reinstall on the older version to upgrade. Okay, so that is all about this upgrade our Appium-MCP server. If you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.